Hi, hello buddies. Now I'm Arja Prathana Marigrethiya from Brumbach Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Harabindu. This grand surrender is free wealth gift, is pure transcendent. Force submit to hers. Thank you. Bye.
Hi hello buddies, now I'm Arja grade 5A from Brumbach Garden. Today's Karma Yogi Appa message. For man to go ahead, he needs to complete his experience at the level where he is. It means knowledge, enjoyment, possession of results must be there. For instance, if one of these at any level is incomplete, surely he cannot rise effectively further. He may rise further by virtue of other strengths, but as long as one item in an earlier stage remains incomplete, the work at the level to which he rose will not be complete. If you seek enjoyment now, without it, you cannot rise further. Enjoy you must, but rightly, otherwise, you will not rise. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Majesya Varun, grade 5B from Brumbach Garden School. In this show, we are going to take answer 30 minutes and next வாங்க விடுகதை பார்க்கலாம். அதிக வெயிட் தூக்கும் பூச்சி எது? யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். பதில் மூட்டை பூச்சி.